part 3 on Pacific trucks. That's the truck that was used in the Pacific promotional video, which I have. I think it's 18 or 21 minutes long. Shows it driving. That one I like a lot. There's a chance I've ridden in that truck, unless they did that paint scheme on a bunch of them. It was the first proper logging truck I ever threw a load of cottonwood on, back in 1991. It had a V8 a Detroit diesel in it. Looked good, sounded better. Good comparison there. Normal Pacific against an off-highway. Just got that 20, 30, 40% bigger. Alright, so we've got a Pacific with the Hayes Bear on it. Just like driving a Ford with a Chevy bow tie on the front grille. Even though if you like a Hayes, you like a Pacific. They're not rivals. Kind of both in their own world together. Main Developments. Their stuff all went to Richie's there like 10 years ago, or more, 12 years ago. Another one of those Fred Sochuk coal haulers with the number on it. I don't know what I think of those tub boxes. As one who's dug the odd hole back in the day and loaded some of those, not that style, but there was a highway version of them here, and it'd be this time of year when it's snowing and cold and the mud's freezing in there, and they're asking you to use your 5-foot wide cleanup bucket in your excavator and give their box a scrape, and you can't get the bottom foot. Oh, I was at the sale when that one went through. I have a video of them all driving down the ramp. It's quite a sight. Though just about any Pacific by itself is quite a sight. They haven't made them technically or in production numbers for like 30 years. In 1995 they built a big one, a custom one-off. Not a one-off, just got the molds out one more time. Built one for, I think I went to Idaho. It was a coal hauler or something to do in a mine, hauling a belly dump or trailer. I videoed that truck in person. I know where it's sitting. In a heated Quonset shed. It's safe. That was our job. That's my dad. I don't know when I'll film this. He passed away in October of 2022 here. Wasn't a blast. So. Kind of sucks. I took that photo in 1993 at Interfor Pioneer. That'd be old Robbie on the loader there. That was a Maple Ridge truck. Never saw it again after that much. Oh, and there's that one I was talking about. I think that was in a different chapter, in chapter 2, that color. I wondered if it was the same truck. I loaded that load. That was my first actual log truck load. Cottonwood's heavy, so the middle's a bit V'd down in there. It was it for weight. And I took that picture. Some of these pictures here are shared. There's a few I donated to this guy. That's a brute of a loader. Long arm on it. Kind of looks like the Vancouver Island Campbell River inland Kenworth. location. I'm at 10 minutes. I'm going to try and go a little quicker. A few pages left. That's from the video, corporate video, promotional. Oh, I took that picture too. That was on the site in the highway through hell when Al did that big scrap metal clean. I hate the word scrap when he did that heavy equipment and clean up and got a D8 for himself out of it. That was the same property. Luckily I beat him in there years before. It looks a lot like that truck I videoed before, but I guess any brown one could be it. Looks like Neva Trucks. Somebody's last name. And the last page of this book. There's still a whole nother book. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Toughest trucks ever built.